For today's conversion, we're going to convert your age into minutes. And I'll do the example with my age. First thing I'm going to do is draw in my grid. I've decided that I like this. It helps keep my fractions straight and organized. And I don't even have to know how many I need to start with. If I start with too many, I just leave some blank. It's not a big deal. So now I'm going to start with my age, which is 51 years. I'm trying to get 51 years into minutes. So the first thing I need to do is make years go away. Since years is on the top, it has to go on the bottom. And I can't go right from years to minutes. I don't know that conversion without asking one of my smart devices, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go from years to something smaller. I can go from years to days. I know there are 365 days in 1 year. Now my years cancel, and I'm left with days. So I'm getting closer. I got smaller, which is good. If you find throughout your process that you're not getting any closer to where you want to be, it's probably worth starting over and trying again. Now I'm going to convert days into hours. Since days is on the top, it has to go on the bottom to cancel out with hours on the top. And then I can put the numbers in. I know there's 24 hours in 1 day. So now my days cancel. So I'm getting closer. I'm getting smaller. I'm almost there. I want hours to go away, and I want to be left with minutes. So I put hours on the bottom since hours was on the top. And I know that I can convert between hours and minutes. Then I put my numbers in. I know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now my hours cancel, and I'm left with minutes, which is exactly where I was trying to get to. So now I can actually do the math. So this has all been set up to this point. I haven't done any math yet. For the math part, we multiply everything on top. So I'm going to get out my calculator, which has now fallen asleep, and type in 51 times 365 times 24 times 60. And I get a very large number. Your number should be smaller than mine. I get 26,805,600. I should check the bottom because I do multiply everything on bottom as well. This bottom turns out actually very nice because it's all ones. So my answer's over 1. So my answer is that I am 26,805,600 minutes old. Now, I didn't account for the fact that I'm actually 51 and a half, but that's okay. I would like you to try to go ahead and convert your age to minutes and see what you get. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll help you out with it. I hope you have a great weekend.